Hello, this is basic Russian Android application. This is for people who actually study English or Russian. Uh, it has about 140 words, with each word has picture and sound. It's not auto-generated sound, it's recorded by a native speaker, and it's pretty handy. So it's all words is separated by categories like numbers, colors, and stuff like that. Please use it to study basic Russians for your children or just for yourself. All words has like three different languages. It's like Russian, English, and Kyrgyz language. So if you want your children to study more languages, it's pretty handy. Okay, rate us. This is the button for rate this one. You can just click it and write a review, give us some points. This will help us to improve our applications and maybe add some more functions to our apps for better user experience. Okay, bye bye.